Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Cryptokip, and today we're going to be talking about whether or not the bull run is coming back. Is the bull run upon us? And we're going to be talking about two big players in the market, Fidelity Investments and BlackRock. Those two guys we got to keep our eye on. So we're going to talk a little bit about those and more in today's video. I got a little update for you on CRO with some of the price action. A beautiful pump over the last 24 hours from crypto. The crypto market cap flying up overall, so we got to take a look at that. If you guys like that kind of content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 4 videos every single day for you, and when we hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber, so do not miss out on that, guys. And we are currently at 6.4 thousand subscribers, so when we get to 10,000 we'll do that giveaway. And now when we hit 25,000 subscribers, we are giving away a loaded lion to somebody in the Crypto Report community. All you got to do is go to our Twitter to enter this giveaway, and when you're a YouTube member, you get an additional 10 entries for every month you are a member. So got a link for you in the description down below on that one as well. Let's hop into these charts. Let's take a peek at the market cap, because right now crypto is up to 850 billion and was even higher earlier today. Bitcoin dominance came down a little bit. Guys, the altcoins are looking strong, and a lot of these projects are going crazy right now. Couple to shout out today. Well, first of all, I guess Bitcoin broke above $17,000 yesterday, which is spectacular. Ethereum above $1,300, up 8.5% for the week, over 9% earlier today. Fantastic. Binance coin climbing up to $272. So everything seems to be moving. Ripple just kind of holding strong, not really making much movement over the last 7 days. But shout out to Solana and my partner BlackRock, been buying the dip on Solana and Solana NFTs. Absolutely rip roaring at 43% over the last 7 days. A lot of people have been questioning, is Solana dead? Well, it looks very much alive right now. So we will have to see whether there are all-time highs coming for that again in the future, but absolute redemption recovery for Solana for now, so we'll keep an eye on that one for you as well. Tron, after some FUD from Justin Sun and all his involvement with Huobi, actually holding pretty strong, all things considered, so that's good to see. And looking at some of these other coins in the market, everything's moving up, guys. Market cap's looking strong. Apecoin had a rip-roaring move of 16% over the last 7 days. And, of course, CRO we got to take a peek at. But I do want to shout out, there have been some other projects that have been absolutely flying. And one of them is, of course, none other than Gala Games. Guys, we got to take a look at Gala Games right now. I want to tell you this. The reason Gala Games is pumping, and it's up 17% today, but over the last month, it is up so much. It's up hundreds of percent. It went from 1 cent to 5 cents almost. You're talking about a 6x just about. It actually, because it was even lower, it went up about 4 or 5x from the lows and rip roaring. Well, why? It looks like actually Mark Wahlberg and Dwayne The Rock Johnson are coming out and talking about doing a movie which will be only available through Gala. And the way you buy that will be with Gala tokens. So that is why now, if you're looking to buy this, I do believe that you should hold off, because I think that when something flies up like this, it's only a matter of time before it comes down. If you hold Gala, maybe consider taking some off the top and buying back in a lower entry point. Though, when the bull market comes, Gala is proving to be a pretty strong token right now and looking like there's going to be a lot of hype coming and a lot more coming for this project in the future. But let's take a peek here at CRO, because we obviously want to see what's going on with the price movement for CRO. This is the 4-hourly candle, so consistent movement up, guys. We broke way above 6 cents, almost to 6.5 cents, which was great to see. And I think that there is a chance for more upside. But what we got to focus on, guys, as we've talked about this, I think that the fair value price is at about 12 cents right at this price level for CRO. So before we really start moving up in a big way, I think we needed at least a 2x up to about 12 cents. And then we might see some more upside to get back up to that 20 cent level, 40 cent level. There's not much going on when you get past 16 cents. So if we can get really above 12 cents and then break past 16 cents, I do see an opportunity for us to make a swift move up to 20 cents. And if we get past that, oh boy, I mean, we could be looking at 35, 37 cents, which was a very strong floor previously for CRO. And then the big question you might be asking yourself is, can we get back to a dollar CRO, and is the bull run actually here? Well, first off, I did tweet out a tweet earlier today, and I said, good morning, CRO fam. Is the bull run actually here? I got 48 votes so far. If you didn't vote, go put your vote on Twitter. But 62% of people say not yet. Now, personally, if you want to know my vote, I'll tell you right now, I do believe that the bull run is beginning. Now, is it actually here? Not yet. I guess I could agree with that, but I do think that it is starting. So if that's what you guys meant, then I agree with you when you say not yet. But I think that we are at the bottom. I do think that the bottom is here. I'm not calling bottom like it's for sure here, but I do believe that it is. It should be. And I think that there is upward movement. Now, what Black C and I have been talking about is we do believe that there's a chance that we could have Bitcoin soar up to $28,000, right? And then have some kind of scam wake back down, because nothing goes straight up. I do believe that, yes, the bottom is in, but I don't think that it's just going to go straight up from here. I think there's going to be a big move upward. We're starting to see the beginning of that, and then it might retrace back down, kind of hurt some folks. I mean, pain, it's max pain, guys. That's really what the markets do, whatever's the most painful. And so people are saying not yet, 62% of folks, and I think that in that, there may be a chance now that everybody is still feeling bearish. That is when maybe the price would rise. That would make the most sense. Usually the opposite of what the group thinks seems to be what actually happens. So we'll have to see, guys, but I am feeling bullish nonetheless, and a lot of folks wanted to comment on this. So, people are waiting to see if it's actually here. Only time will tell. We also put on a poll on our YouTube channel, a community poll, and we got 1,000 votes on this one. And people are thinking that there's a 29% of folks voted CRO could hit $1 in 2023. 38% of people thought that it could hit $1 in 2024. And in 2025, 24% of people think that it would hit. Only 10% of people voted that it will never hit $1 again. If you're wondering where my vote is, I personally believe that 2024 would be the year that CRO would hit $1. If not 2025. And boy, oh boy, would I love to see it hit $1 and beyond in 2023. So smash the like button if you agree with me. Leave me a comment in the chat down below what your thoughts are on what time frame we're looking at for $1 CRO, if we ever hit $1 CRO again, which we do believe we will hit that at some point on this channel. That's what we're talking about here. But I want to show you guys, the market is kind of reflecting, and the sentiment of these polls on Twitter is kind of reflecting Google. When I type in crypto onto Google, what you see here is death of the crypto formula. Metropolitan blank is fleeing crypto. Bitcoin investors should be worried. Crypto markets today, talking about a lot of negative news. Crypto's wild rise gives major tax headaches. YouTube star Logan Paul apologizes for his crypto project failure. Crypto startup funding falls to lowest in almost 2 years. In the middle of a chilling winter, U.S. regulators need to turn up the heat. Crypto billionaires back-to-back death sparked wild theories about Bitcoin or gold. Beware of malignant tumor. SBF and FTX peddled crypto fraud. Every single article you see when you Google crypto is bearish. That's why I believe the bull market's here, guys. It is only a matter of time before the opposite is true. And I think that the media is, and we talked about this a lot on the channel, I think the media is trying to suppress the price right now, and they're failing. And they're failing, and they're failing, and they're failing. But some folks do follow what the media narrative is putting out there. And I think that's what we see in some of the responses in some of these polls. And so I'm feeling pretty bullish, because usually when the community's feeling one way, the opposite tends to happen. That's why leverage trading is so hard. That's why trading is so hard, because the markets are hard to anticipate. When you feel one way, it seems like the opposite is typically true, which is why I prefer to do a buy and hold strategy. But if you know that the market's going to go up, and you do believe that the market's going to go up, and you think there's an opportunity for a trade here and you want to open up a long, well, by all means, go ahead. We have a referral link in the description down below, an $8,000 sign-up bonus when you sign up for BitGet, and a $600 sign-up bonus when you sign up for Binance. But I do believe that the bull market's coming soon, and Binance is still getting flooded. It's unbelievable, guys, because remember, we look at the prices of crypto right now, and let's just go back to the crypto market cap here. So Binance is up 10% over the last 7 days. It's up 10% over the last 7 days. Meanwhile, here's an article, Binance is bleeding assets, 12 billion gone in less than 60 days. Guys, the markets are pumping, and Binance's volumes are going up. It's really actually it's terribly tragic that Forbes reports like this. They even picked like a very grayed out, very sad looking picture of CZ. They're trying to paint a picture here so that they fear you out of the market. That's what the media wants to do. In the meantime, there's large institutions that are buying the dip. For example, Fidelity. This is actually a Instagram post that my mother, who is over 60-year-old, sent me, and this is what's happening. Guys, Fidelity is one of the largest financial institutions in America. If you want to have a 401k, if you want to have an IRA, all these investment accounts, Fidelity is a very common place for people to go. They have a large part of the market share here in the US, and they're offering crypto trading now. 0%, $0 commission trades for crypto, but other fees do apply. So this is huge, guys. I want to share this with you guys because there are headlines here that Metropolitan Bank is fleeing crypto. Bitcoin investors should, there's a story here that folks are fleeing crypto and that institutions and banks are fleeing crypto. Well, meanwhile, Fidelity's getting into crypto in a big way, and they're offering crypto trading for the first time here. And it's very, very exciting for them. And I'm sure they're going to become bigger for it, especially when the crypto markets go bullish again. And don't forget how big they are. I mean, they have $4.5 trillion of assets under management now as of December 2021. And so if you get, 10% of this in there, you're talking about hundreds of billions of dollars, guys. And that's a lot of money that could flow into crypto easily. And that's if people start taking if everybody in Fidelity took 5% of their portfolio and they put it in, you're talking about hundreds of billions of dollars. That could make a major impact into crypto. And I do think that over time, folks will start doing that as they see that Bitcoin is more valuable than gold. At least that's what we believe here at the Crypto Report. BlackRock also, don't forget BlackRock makes this Bitcoin eligible investment fund to $15 billion fund. They are going and they are making a big stride in the way of crypto, and they are offering more and more of their people that invest through them have access to crypto. And BlackRock is the largest financial institution on planet Earth, essentially. They're one of the largest. And this is huge too. So the narrative and the actions are two different things. The narrative is that crypto is dying, crypto's dead, it's a terrible crypto winter, and financial institutions don't want anything to do with it. And meanwhile, Fidelity and BlackRock are getting into crypto in a big way. So this is very, very exciting as well. So we're feeling pretty bullish overall here at the Crypto Report. We're feeling pretty good, and we do believe that the bottom is in. And it certainly could dip lower. I think that the most pain is typically what the market likes to chase. And I think with the narrative right now that a lot of people think that the bottom's not in, I think that there's room for upward momentum. By the time everybody starts FOMOing in and the markets really start to rise up, that's when I'd start to suspect, hey, there's a big scam wave coming to the downside that would scare one more time folks out, and then I believe the bull market would go on from there. So let me know what you think about that in the chat down below. I'm feeling bullish on CRONOS. It's the largest project on Cosmos, which is spectacular to see. And I do think that the Crow fam is stronger than ever before, which is why we're giving away this loaded line at 25,000 subscribers. So make sure you follow us on Twitter. Check out this giveaway. And if you want to join us on our private Discord, you do get access to that when you become a member on our YouTube channel. So don't miss out on that as well. Guys, that's all I got for you. Remember, we're at 6.4 thousand subscribers, giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin when we hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel. That's all I got for you guys today. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling bullish. I'm feeling ready, and I'm very excited to bring more videos to this crypto.com community, to the Crypto Report community, when these prices are just starting to fly. We will celebrate together, my friends. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much for tuning in. That's all I got right now. I'm Cryptokip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.